Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about surface area and volume. So this chapter you are learning from 8th standard. So 8th standard you might have learned about cube and cuboid. So this year you will be going to learn about cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere and cone. About all these solid shapes you are going to learn. So now first I am going to start with the finding out the surface area of cuboid. So now whenever a question is given for you related to surface area and volume, the most important thing what you have to remember is try to draw a figure or even a rough figure. If you draw also, it will be more easy for you to visualize the dimension given, and 50% of your work will be completed when you draw the figure. So now I am going to draw the figure with the given dimension. Here the question states that find the lateral surface area and the total surface area of a cuboid of length 80 centimeter, breadth 40 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. So first we will draw a cuboid with the given dimension. Always we should try to visualize the figure and try to write the dimensions, which will make your work very easy. So now length is equal to 80 centimeter, breadth is equal to 40 centimeter and height is equal to 20 centimeter. So I will show you how the marks will be divided also, so that will be easy for you. Even if you skip few steps, how you will lose the marks you will come to know. So first you have to write down the lateral surface area of the cuboid. First point is you need to write the formula before substituting. Write down the formula. Lateral surface area of a cuboid. So you know what's lateral surface area of a cuboid? That will be equal to 2 into L plus B into H, because we will not consider the top and the bottom will not be considered in case of the lateral surface area. So these two we will not consider. We will be considering only the four faces of the cuboid. So now when you consider the four faces of the cuboid, you know what is the length. The second step is you need to substitute here. So that will be equal to 80 plus 40. They both are in centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. So this will be equal to 80 plus 40 is 2 into 120. Again it is into 20 centimeter square. Remember, whenever you have surface area, the unit will be always in centimeter square. So here it is 2 into 12 is 24. 24 into 2 is 48. So write these two zeros is equal to centimeter square. So this is the lateral surface area. In short, you can write it as LSA. So now when it is given in the question for 3 marks, the marks will be divided like this. So this carries half mark for writing down the correct formula. Then for substituting the correct value, here also children make mistake where they take the values wrong. So for this again you will get another half mark. Then after calculating and putting the correct value, you get another half mark here. So now 1.5 mark is being divided for lateral surface area. Now the same way we will see how to find out the total surface area of the cuboid. So now the total surface area of cuboid will be equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So this is the first step. Now this carries again another half mark. So now next is substitute the value, length into breadth. It is 80 into 41st substitute the value. Don't go to write the answer directly. Next is base into height. So it is 40 into 20 plus HL. It is 20 into 80. And everywhere we are multiplying it twice. So it will be centimeter square. The unit will be in centimeter square. Remember, writing the unit is very important in this chapter. So 8 4s are 32, 0 0 write as it is. 4 2s are 8, 0 0 write as it is. 8 2s are 16 and 0 0 write as it is. So now you can add everything and write. So do the working in the working column itself, which makes the evaluator to give you marks without deducting it anywhere, and even the working also should be clearly written in the working column. Yes, so here it is 5600. That will be equal to, you can multiply here directly, 2 into 6 12, 2 5s are 10 11, and here it is 0 0 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area. So this way of representation is very important. For this you get half mark. And if the working is neatly written in the working column and the final answer, you can highlight it by putting it in a box, which makes the evaluator to give you full marks. At a glance, if they see itself, they must be able to understand whatever you have written. Okay children, meet you in the next video with another problem. Until then, take care and bye children.